There are literally thousands of tutorials for businesses out there on how to use AI, but all of them are either difficult to understand, way too long, or just aren't useful at all. That's why I made this video as an AI for Business Funding 101 guide to show you that using AI to grow your funding business isn't hard. You just have to understand the basics. And that starts with 3 AI systems I actually use in my business every single day to book consultations and close 5 to 15K funding deals. Most people either overcomplicate AI or they just treat it like a toy. I'm going to show you exactly how I use it as a weapon to reach more business owners, to book more calls, and close more funding deals without being glued to your laptop for 12 hours a day. We're going to hit 3 systems: ChatGPT for communication and outreach, AI calling bots for appointment setting, AI chatbots for pipeline management. Then I'll show you how everything plugs together into one clean machine. Let me start with what not to do. Most brokers open ChatGPT and type something like, write me down a cold DM for business owners who need funding, with no context, no audience, no offer, and no personality. Then they copy and paste that same robotic message and send it to 200 people. Nobody replies, and they basically say that AI doesn't work. The problem isn't AI, bro. The problem is lazy input. If you don't feed AI properly and let them know who you help, how you help them, and what you actually do differently in the funding space, it's going to give you generic, boring, copy and paste trash. Now let me show you the right way. You need to train ChatGPT to sound like you, and then let it help you communicate faster. Here's what I use ChatGPT for: personalizing cold DMs on Instagram, LinkedIn, and email, writing follow-up messages that don't sound robotic, answering the same question I've literally answered hundreds of times, and explaining funding concepts in a simple language my audience understands. It's not a ChatGPT go find me clients type of thing. It's a ChatGPT help me talk to more people faster in my tone. Before I ask ChatGPT anything, I give it context with stuff like this: who I am, and to give you an example of what it looks like, I would say something like, you are writing at Stedman Waiters, a business funding coach who's deployed over 40 million and helps entrepreneurs get capital. Then you want to move over to who I help. I would say something like, my ideal client is a business owner doing at least 10K a month, or an aspiring funding broker who wants to start a funding business. And last but not least, you want to let it know what it is that you actually offer. And you can use, I help people get funded and teach them how to build their own funding company using traditional 0% interest credit funding and alternative lending. Then when I want a message, I give it specifics on that person, where they came from, whether that's a webinar, Instagram, DMs, or referrals, what they said they're struggling with, and then what I want them to do, your call to action. It can be a book call, send bank statements, or even join your webinar. Here's a prompt that you literally can reuse. Using the voice and context I gave you earlier, write a casual follow-up DM to your lead's name who opted in for a free funding training but still didn't book a call yet. They said they're struggling to get approved because their bank keeps saying no. Make it sound like short, direct, and to the point, and with a clear question about whether they need help getting a real funding game plan. Then I would edit the final message so it sounds exactly like you, provide it with substance, and boom, you're good. ChatGPT provides structure, and I always keep 2 rules. First, never let ChatGPT make claims you can't back up. Next, every message still has your tone. The end result leads to more conversations, less time typing, and way less mental fatigue trying to write every single message from scratch. Now it's time to talk about AI voice bots. I use AI calling bots as my first contact setters, especially for webinar leads, old leads in the CRM, and cold lists in specific industries. These bots are not perfect, but when you use them the right way, they print money. Here's how I use AI calling bots. The lead comes in from a webinar, ad, or a cold calling list. An AI caller reaches out by phone. It confirms they're still interested. Then it asks basic qualification questions like, what's your credit score? What's your monthly business revenue? And how much funding are you seeking? If they qualify, it books them straight into my team's calendar and pushes everything to the CRM. Now, instead of me or a human sales rep calling hundreds of people manually, the bot is doing that frontline work 24/7. What the bot handles is initial contact with cold or warm leads, basic qualifying questions, simple objection handling like, is this a real company? What's the catch? Or how long does funding take? Booking calls directly into my calendar. It's not here to sell the whole offer. It's here to start the conversation and put qualified people on your calendar. This part is important. AI doesn't replace real conversations. Humans still handle actual funding strategy calls, any emotional or sensitive situations, complex questions about underwriting products or deal structure, and final closing and onboarding. My philosophy with AI is simple. Let AI do the repetitive, predictable work. Let humans do the high trust, high stakes work. That's how you keep quality high while still scaling. The next piece is AI chatbots. These are the ones that live on your website, inside your funnels, and sometimes connected to your social media pages or text campaign. They're not there to be cute. They're there to move people through the pipeline. I use chatbots to answer the same questions prospects ask 100 times, like what's the minimum credit score, how fast can I get funded, or do you work with startup? They qualify leads before they even hit the team's calendar and follow up with people at different stages, whether it's a missed call, a lead didn't finish an app, or a client didn't send in their bank statements yet. They'll send reminders like, don't forget your call tomorrow, we still need your last 4 months of bank statements. So instead of my team chasing every single person manually, the bot handled this for us. To give a high-level overview, here's the setup. I connect the chatbot to my funding knowledge, FAQs about our process, basic qualification rules, and what products we offer at a simple level. You want to clearly define when it should help and when it should escalate to a human. If it's an FAQ or a simple task, the bot can handle that. If it's a custom situation or an emotional issue, redirect to a human, or that client can book a call. You don't need the bot to be a genius. You need it to handle 60 to 70% of repetitive questions so your team can focus on the 30 to 40% that actually gets deals funded. My mindset with automation is this: use AI to buy back time, not to replace relationships. The bot keeps the pipeline warm, the human closes the loop. Now let me show you how this actually works when it's all connected. Step one will be your initial contact. Let's say a lead opts in from a webinar, an ad, organic content, or even a referral link. From there, you want to use ChatGPT powered templates to handle the first follow-up DM or email, and then an AI caller can reach out to confirm their interest and pre-qualify them, and later a chatbot on the site answers questions if they click around before actually booking the call. By the time they're on your calendar, they already know who you are and why they're there. Step number two would be appointment setting. Once someone shows interest, the AI caller or chatbot confirms a few basics, offers times on your calendar, and books the appointment. ChatGPT can help with appointment confirmation messages, pre-call reminders, and send out those what to expect on the call messages. You're not manually doing back and forth scheduling. You're just showing up to qualify calls. Moving on to step three, the consultation application phase. This is where you or your closer steps in. On the call, you can walk through your situation, you can lay out the funding options, you close them into funding or into your program. ChatGPT still helps in the background with it, drafting summary emails after the call, explaining complex terms in simple language, and drafting next steps for document collection, bank statements, any other processes. The chatbot can handle things like questions on where do they need to upload bank statements, what was the link that was sent again, and anything else needed from the client. Step number four would be deal management and follow-ups. So after the call, chatbots and automations can nudge clients to send missing documents, remind them of deadlines of when you need documents in, and give them basic updates on their status. You or your team can handle actual lender communication, present offers to the client, negotiate, and close. AI keeps the communication tight, humans keep the relationship strong. So now let's talk software and setup. Here's a few AI tools I use. I use ChatGPT for copy, DMs, emails, explanation, and internal templates. I use ScaleApe AI Dialer for outbound calls, basic qualification, and bookings. I use ScaleApe's AI Chatbox for CRM automations, FAQs, reminders, and simple workflows. You don't need 19 different tools. You need a simple stack that you can actually use. There is a monthly cost for AI tools and CRMs, and you will have to put some work in on the front end to get everything up and going. Training the bot, writing the base scripts, and testing and refining workflows. But once it's built, it saves you hours every week and helps you scale without hiring 3 or 4 extra bodies. It also gives you time saved on repetitive tasks and basic follow-ups, more touches per lead without me personally being in every single one, higher appointment volume, and better show-up rates when AI and humans work together. AI is powerful, but it's not you. You still want humans for real funding strategy calls, high-ticket program sales, and handling sensitive credit situations. Anytime a client is frustrated, scared, or confused, AI is the assist. You're still the closer. So now you know exactly how to use AI to get consistent business funding clients without spending 12 hours a day on manual outreach and follow-up. But knowing how to use AI in your funding business is just one part of the puzzle. That's why I created a free training that walks you through the complete dual funding model system that I teach. In that training, I break down how to position yourself, how to find your first clients, and how to build lender relationships, and how to actually close deals and collect commissions. Click the video on the screen to watch the free training now. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos on how to grow your funding business. Peace.